And it's me, Meryl. Welcome back to my channel. It's fam time, fam jam. So we're gonna make a super fun recipe today that I will then tell you a little bit more about.
So today we'll be cooking butter chicken, which is a classic Indian dish. We're using a little bit non-classical ingredients just because we didn't have access to them today. But yeah, it's gonna be really yummy. We're gonna serve it with white rice and naan bread.
Tell them how much you love Indian food.
Oh, Indian food is our favorite food.
Indian food is our favorite food.
And I'm here to just try it out, make it with them, have some fun. Yeah. So you guys enjoy.
Spam time.
Yes.
Heart.
So thanks for coming back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you soon. I think we can start out telling a little bit about our ingredients today. So we got some chicken. Wait, we've got some chicken breasts. We got some butter chicken sauce from Sharwood's. They've apparently been around since 1889. That's a real long time ago.
Anyway, so she just got her hair done.
I did just get my hair done.
She's Italian Barbie.
Anyway,
I got my apron on. It's ready to go.
this is no time for selfies, ma'am. You see what I have to deal with?
Okay.
We're trying to cook over here.
That's okay.
Ain't no one got time for this. So don't mind my hands today. I've been painting / staining, so they a little crusty. I wouldn't say crusty.
Okay.
But they're just a little dirty looking, but I promise they are so clean you could eat off them.
Eat off my hands.
Okay, so the first step is we're going to cut up these 4 chicken breasts. My daddy always taught me the way to get a chicken is don't cross the road.
Okay, so the way we're gonna cut it is that we're gonna start with 1 slice down the center. Okay. Then we're gonna cut off any fat. Now we're just gonna cut in about, I would say thumb-sized pieces, but that sounds kind of scary. So, just in a good,
Like chunks.
yeah, just good chunks. We're gonna brown the chicken in a little bit of avocado oil. We're using 4 chicken breasts that we've already pre-diced. And we're gonna let them cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, not completely cook. Just to brown it a little, get some color in it. And then we're gonna let it simmer in the sauce for 20 minutes. Or until the chicken is done. We wanna make sure that we don't dry it out.
We are going to add in the sauce.
We are using Sharwood butter chicken, a silky, rich, creamy curry sauce. And the directions say that you only need to simmer it in the sauce for 3 minutes, but we're gonna do a little bit longer than that just because we really want it to absorb the flavors. So we're just gonna dump that in. We're just gonna start to fold in the chicken to the sauce. And we're really just letting the chicken finish cooking in the sauce. Now what we're doing is we're going to melt some butter and some garlic together, and we're gonna use this to cover our naan bread. And we're gonna cook this naan bread in the oven. We're gonna probably put the oven on 275. We're gonna brush it in the butter garlic and we're gonna brush it in the garlic butter, and we're just gonna let it crisp up a little, get nice, soft, and warm, and it'll go great with the chicken and the rice that's cooking. So now what we're doing is we're just brushing down the naan bread with the garlic butter, and we're really making sure to get a lot of garlic on there, spreading it out really nicely to all the edges. And this really just makes all the difference when you're prepping your naan bread.
Okay guys, so this is everything finished up. We've got our butter chicken, our garlic naan bread, some rice, and we also made some zucchini on the side. I made the zucchini super simple in avocado oil with some garlic and just some other seasonings on it. Okay,
Hey guys, thank you for watching this. Hi y'all, thank you so much for watching this. Ow, you pulled my hair. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked it. I really hope you found this food yummy. I'm the star.
What is happening? Okay, no, everyone else move out of the way. Thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate it. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope that you'll make this recipe because it is amazing. Again, make a trip out to World Market if you have one near you. If not, go find one wherever you gotta go. Fly to one, whatever. Helicopter pads on top. Bye. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below and let me know if you like this video and if you'd like to see more of my fam jam. And if so, I'll just have to steal them from school to bring them up here to see me. But yeah, like I said, thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.